Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a Volkswagen ID.4 Level 2 charger safely, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a Level 2 charger, a drill, stud finder, screwdriver, and safety gear. Ensure you have a suitable location for the charger, preferably near your parking space. Check your local codes and regulations regarding electric vehicle charger installations. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical hazards during installation. Use a stud finder to locate a suitable wall stud for mounting the charger. Mark the spot where you will install the charger, ensuring it is accessible and safe. Carefully drill pilot holes into the marked stud location. Attach the mounting bracket of the charger using screws. Once the bracket is secure, route the charging cable securely, ensuring it does not create a tripping hazard. Connect the charger to a dedicated circuit that meets the manufacturer's specifications. Follow the wiring instructions provided in the charger's manual carefully. Ensure all connections are tight and secure to prevent electrical issues. Double-check your connections and the positioning of the charger. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Test the charger to make sure it powers on correctly. If everything is functioning, secure any loose wiring and clean up the installation area. You have now successfully installed a Volkswagen ID.4 Level 2 charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.